This time on Low Boost, we're at the Saratoga Auto Auction and we're selling our 1966 Ford Mustang.
So I tried to enjoy the Mustang as much as I could the weeks leading up to the Saratoga Auto Auction. I had my wife drive it for a little bit. I had it at my house. It's time to actually get ready to sell it.
Rev it up.
So my dad brought the GMW back. It was at his garage. And he took the Mustang to the Saratoga Auto Auction, and that's where we are now.
So we're here, Saratoga Auto Museum, Auto Auction for 2022. Really excited to have the Mustang here and potentially have it roll across sold today. I think there's some people interested in it. Like I said, it's not the best example of a Mustang. It's not fully restored. The body is pretty much how it was when we got it, which isn't bad, but good driver quality. But the drivetrain was all upgraded, so I think we'll have a good chance of getting some decent money for it. You know, as long as we turn a profit on it, I'm happy. So, and we'll move on to the next project. So guys, stay tuned to that because the next one's going to be announced pretty soon, and I'm excited to get going on it. Let's see if we can find our car and make sure it's all ready for the morning.
This auction keeps getting bigger and bigger. It's one of the biggest in the Northeast, and on Saturday, the place was absolutely packed. So it's a really good turnout that happened on Saturday. So hopefully we have the same luck Sunday.
Looks like it's in the same spot it was before. This one will be running a little bit in front of us. There's a little bit of competition there, but I think that one's going to fetch a lot more because it's a fastback, and ours is a coupe. And here it is. So it looks like we're going to run around noon today. So car's all ready to go. So to make sure that they didn't drain the battery, because we have our hideaway switch so the car can't be stolen, which is great, but not so great when you leave it on. So let's walk around and see what else we got.
This auction is really cool because you never know what you're really going to see at these auctions. It has everything from 90s cars to 80s cars, 70s. Even going back, there's a couple of Model Ts there, and there's some newer exotics that sold. So you never really know what you're going to see at the Saratoga Auto Auction. And this is just a short list of viewing of some of the cars that were for sale and or had already run. I think they had about 300 cars total that ran. And they also have a number of memorabilia and collectible stuff that they run through the auctions, usually in the mornings on Saturdays and on Sundays before they start doing the cars. They also had motorcycles, pit bikes. They even had a tank that ran through the auction, which was pretty cool. So you don't just need to be a Mustang lover to come to one of these auctions. They have something for everybody. Now, me personally, there was a bunch of cars here that I really, really liked. And I'm going to show you two of them now that stuck out to me. This is a wrapped 997. It almost looks like Sally Carrera to me. And this is an E46 M3 competition with the stick shift. Really rare car. This car is really nice. I'm really excited to see what that one does. This is the main tent where the auction's running through. They have two huge screens, and people actually can go online and bid for cars here as well.
In 10 minutes. 10 minutes auction time, ladies and gentlemen. Please make your way into the auction arena.
Here I'm just wiping the car down, getting it as clean and as presentable as possible for the auction. You can also register to bid online, but it is always obviously better to be there in person. While I was here, I actually started the car up for a couple people that were interested. They wanted to kind of hear how it ran, and that's always a good sign. I think one great selling feature of this car is how it sounds, and I think it sounds awesome.
So just as a precursor to the car currently, so you guys know before it runs up on the auction block, so you can kind of get an idea what's going on in my head. We had the reserve at $17,000. I think that'd be a great price for the car, both fair for the buyer and fair for us. But if it gets to 15, we may pull the reserve to get it like pumping and going a little bit. Even at 15,000, we'll still be happy with the car and selling it. I was just happy to really build the thing and show you guys on YouTube, because that's most of what we do, is to build them and to showcase them what we do on YouTube. And you know, if we can make some money when we sell something like this, that's great too. And if we can show that we can replicate that, we're going to do that over and over and over, because it's a lot of fun. So let's see how it does.
I went out to my car just to put my backpack away, and this thing's sitting here. Holy cow! Diablo! Il Diablo! Whose car is this?
112.
It's a 1966 Ford Mustang notchback with a brand new drivetrain with a 302 cubic inch V8, a HOLLEY Sniper electronic fuel injection, an AOD automatic transmission with overdrive, and a full front disc brake conversion. Lot 387, a 66 Mustang notchback.
Thank you. All right, here we go. Right, I'm going to get 4. How about JR 5 to start it? 7,500. I get 5, be able to be 75. 6, 7. I get 6, be able to be 7,000. Thank you, 8,000. Jump able to be 8,000. 9,000. T, able to be 9. Now 10. I get 9, down to 10. Table to be 10, able to be 10. Table to be 10. Jump able to be 10, able to 10. Now 11. I get 10, but 11. T, able to be 11,000. Now 12. I get 11, able to be 12, able to be 12, able to be 12. I get 11, able to be 12,000. I get 11, able to be 12, 12, able to be 12. Let me able to be 12, 12, able to be 12, able to be 12, let me able to be 12,000, 11,000, 12,000, 11, now 12.
You think about it, a very highly collectible car, all new drivetrain, automatic transmission, and front disc brakes for your stopping confidence.
I had 12. I let me able to be 12,000. 11,500. I let me able to 11,500. Here we go. Walk it out. 11,500. I let me able to 11,500. 5, 11,500. Let me able to 11,500. Take it out there. But 11,500. I let me able to 11,500. Anybody else at 11,500 on the Mustang? 11,500. 11,500. 11,500. 11,500 going once. 11,500 twice. 11,500. Close the bidding right there at $11,000. Mark that down one at 11.
So the car didn't sell. It only hit 11. And I think part of the reason why it didn't do too well was raining out. Not as many people here today, Sunday, as there was Saturday. But that's okay. There's still people that are interested in the car, so maybe it still will sell. People want to come and talk, but no one's coming out and look at the car because it's raining right now. So it's really working against us. But I'll probably still list it online, see what we can get for it. But I'm definitely, the experience at Saratoga Auto Auction is always good. Everybody here is great. This is such a great venue. I mean, this place is huge this year if you look and see. So definitely, guys, make sure to check out the auto auction if you've never been here, even to just go watch. You don't even need to be a bidder. So check it out. So keep walking around, see if anybody else is interested in the car. If the rain lets up, maybe more people will come out and take a look at it. See how it goes. But it's always great to come to the Saratoga Auto Auction. I usually come even if I'm not selling a car or buying one. So it's like a really cool car show, and you get to see them change hands like that too. So check it out. All right, so the Mustang is back at my dad's on the lean-to for now. Probably put it in the garage in a little bit. Still gonna have the car listed for sale, probably be on Facebook Marketplace before the time you even see this video. So I will put a link to the ad in this video. It should be in the description below. Make sure you guys check that out if you wanna get access to this car and buy it. You're more than welcome to come and take a look. What's great about this car is everything was documented here on the YouTube channel. So we don't hide anything because we did it all ourselves, and it's all there for you guys to see and check out. So I want to thank you all again for coming with this Saratoga Auto Auction journey with me. I had a blast doing it, and hopefully I'll sell another car through the auction some point next year. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.